Hi teachers, I'm just jumping on to share with you my winter holidays around the world virtual scavenger hunt. If you are familiar with my virtual field trips, this is similar, although it integrates more websites and a little more sleuthing to find answers as they go through this trip. This is a great low prep activity. It's all set up for you, and I have updated it this year with one more location based on lots of the feedback that I've received from you all. So if you already own this activity, you'll want to go into your dashboard on TPT and download the latest version. So this will take your students to 7 locations around the world to learn about different holidays, celebrations, festivals, and really this is great. You can do one location a day. You could have certain students just take time to visit just one location and come back and share with the class. But this trip integrates Google Earth links. So for example, here, the Nuremberg market in Germany, you can actually go and take a look here. This is on Google Earth. I'm just using my my mouse, but you could also just use your arrow keys as well to pan around. And then let me just share with you, so from here, there's questions that they'll use or from the website to find the information. And then off to Sweden, where they will visit Gavelbacken, which is the traditional Swedish Yule goat. And so they'll learn a little bit about that. They can pan around here. And then on to Finland. And this one is a winter resort, so they can actually check out these pretty awesome winter igloos. These are glass igloos, and there's lots of information there. And then my newest location is Nigeria, and I chose this location because it is very diverse. The country is multicultural in the sense that religiously, half the population is Muslim, and about 40% of Nigerians follow Christianity. So you'll learn a little bit about the different traditional festivities during the winter season. And so I've got some little videos in here, and then of course the questions that go with it. I've included answer keys for you, so don't worry, all of that is within the teacher file. And then from there, your students will jump over to the Philippines to learn about the Giant Lantern Festival, and then finally end in the United States at Rockefeller Center. So all of these are set up. You can see the map of just where your students will go, and there's a final little reflection sheet here for you. All of the work is done. All of the questions are editable, so if you want to change them out, you can do that as well. You could just delete the slide if you didn't want to include that. But everything is set up to save you time and to give your students just a incorporated view of holidays and traditions and festivities around the world. I will put the link to this resource in the comments below.